Hi friends, welcome to Jason Machine. This is Steven. Today I'd like to introduce you one of our wholesale products, JS280C. This machine is suitable for packing different kinds of powder, like the spicy powder, coffee powder, and flour. This machine contains of 4 parts. The measuring part and the second part is the firm structure. The third part is the sealing and cutting part. And the fourth part is the controlling part. Now let's start from the first part. The powder needed to be put in this hooper, and inside is the measuring screw, this one. And the screw will keep rolling when the machine runs, and the powder will be stick on this screw, and that's how we measure. If the gram you want to pack is different, like 10 gram and 100 gram, we recommend you to purchase one more screw, this one. The second part is the firm structure. You can see this is the firm holder, is for holding the packing firm. The max packing firm width of this machine is 280 mm. The packing bag width of this machine is from 30 mm to 130 mm. The length is 30 mm to 180 mm. You can check how it goes through. It will go through like this and tilt to the back former. One thing to know is that usually one machine only can make one bag width. If you want to pack different bag width, you need to change the back former. This one, it is easy to change. If you want to change the packing bag length, you can just need to change on the touch screen. And this one, it is the eye sensor. Its function is to sense the bag mark of the packing firm to ensure that each bag is the same when cutting. Now come to our third part, the sealing and cutting part. Please check this. This is the vertical sealing mode. When the firm pulls to this part, it will seal together to form the bed of the bed like this. And this is the firm rolling device. Its function is to pull the firm. And this machine can make not only one bed type, we can customize for you this 3-size sealing pack and this one 4-size sealing pack. And this is the horizontal sealing part. It is responsible for sealing the top and bottom of the back, and the finished product will come out like this. This is our final part, the controlling part. This is the touch screen. As you can see, it has different language for you to choose. Also, we can customize like Spanish or French for you. You just need to tell us. And the parameters you just need to set is the packing speed. The other parameters is set by our engineer already when you receive the machines. And this is the emergency button, and this is the start and stop button, and this one is the drop button. And this chair here is the 2 temperature table. The first one is for the vertical sealing, this part. The red temperature is the real temperature, and the green temperature is the set temperature. The temperature will be set according to the packing firm already, so you just no need to change it. when you will see the machine. And the second one is the horizontal ceiling, is for this part. Okay, that's all of our introduction of the 2A0C. If you still have any questions, please feel free to contact us.